How to skip the intro in Conan Exiles Enhanced on PC. Open Steam Library, launch Steam, go to your library, find Conan Exiles. Open Game Properties, right-click Conan Exiles, click on Properties, stay in the General tab. Add Launch Options, find the Launch Options section, add the intro skip command close the window after saving. Disable startup videos, open the Conan Exiles game folder, go to the Movies or Videos folder, locate intro video files, rename or remove the startup intro videos. Use fast launch settings, run the game as administrator, disable full screen optimization, turn off unnecessary overlays, restart the game. Lower initial loading time. Install the game on SSD if possible. Close background applications, keep enough free storage space available. Disable Steam overlay. Open Steam settings. Disable Steam overlay for Conan Exiles. Relaunch the game. Update game files. Verify integrity of game files. Repair missing or corrupted files. Restart Steam after verification. Use windowed mode first. Launch the game in windowed mode. Let the game low. Completely switch back to full screen later if needed. Restart and test. Restart your PC on launch Conan Exiles again. Check if the intro is skipped properly and loading becomes faster.